Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have a piece of 2x3 by 24-inch tube steel in here. So let's open it up, take it out. So that is your piece of steel, and let's measure to make sure we got some good accuracy on this. I'll hold it up this way so we can kind of get it right underneath the camera. So it is 2 inches by your 3 inches. And how accurate? I mean, it's right on. And then 24 inches long. And it is right slightly larger than 24 inches. I mean, which is a good thing. So depending on your cuts and stuff. But yeah, that is a good piece of clean steel, ready for drilling and welding. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.